My name is Umair, and I am the access control as well as sales manager for Nelly Security. So this project was for an industrial complex for vehicle, mainly car refurb facility, and we initially did UniView security cameras as well as ZK access control. As of right now, there are a total of 140 cameras. This is pretty much an ongoing project. So in the next, I believe 6 months, we will be up to about 200 cameras. So ZK is a perfect access control solution, mainly due to the price point, as well as the support is based in the United States, which really helped us out tremendously, as well as ease of use. Our customer to the day really loves the interface. We had to train their security, their IT department, and it was just a seamless process. So we use the Pro Series in this situation. The main reason for that is scalability, since we do not have the exact door count. I believe by the time we are all said and done, we will be upwards of 100 doors. Plus, it gave us the flexibility of integrating facial recognition, global linkage, and just overall usage and scalability of the system. Large-scale projects can be intimidating, but what I would say is design is critical. If you can design it properly and implement, of course, implementation afterwards, you will not have an issue. And just because you have 100 and 200 doors, there's nothing that you can't handle easily. It's all about replication. If you can do a one-door system and that process can go seamlessly, you can then replicate that over 200 doors. And that's pretty much what this facility is a group of multiple buildings, and each building is pretty much same amount of doors, almost same exact setup, just over multiple buildings. So some of the ways that I helped the installer was initially we sat down, designed the system on paper, and then of course we went through the quoting process, getting project pricing on some of the products, and then post-sale helped out from time to time on setting up the system, taking in what customer requested and implementing those needs essentially. The reason dealers should reach out to us is we love working on larger projects, not just because, it helps us grow, but also we can help you get project pricing. And again, like I mentioned, we can sit down virtually for that matter and just go over the project details, get everything down on paper, and then move forward with the implementation.